Welcome to the Top Foreign channel. You'll be completing quick and easy tasks in under a minute. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. You have the potential to earn anywhere from $25 to $60. I'm thrilled to share another platform where you can make money right from the comfort of your home. I know you all enjoy these types of videos, which is why I'm bringing this opportunity to you once again. Hey everyone! The platform I want to introduce and discuss with you is called Monetizing. Monetizing is a part of Patridge, a global digital and technology services company based in Redmond, Washington, USA. Patridge specializes in data intelligence, experience, and globalization, offering innovative solutions in AI and digital transformation. With a vast network of collaborators in over 200 countries and clients from around the world, Patridge provides human-centered solutions to complex business problems. Monetizing allows you to work as a freelancer and earn money by completing small tasks online. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now let's take a look at the platform. Please note that Monetizing is available as both an app on the App Store and Google Play Store, ensuring convenience for everyone. In my case, I'll be demonstrating using my laptop. So let's begin. The website is jobs.monetizing.com. As mentioned on their site, you can work whenever and wherever you choose. Now let's dive into how to start making money with Monetizing. First and foremost, we need to create an account, which is a simple and necessary step in the process. After creating an account, our next step is to search for freelancing jobs. That's how easy the entire process is, in a nutshell. Let's start by creating an account. Simply click on the sign up button and enter your information, including your name, username, email address, password, native languages, country of residence, and city. Once you've filled in the required details, agree to the terms and conditions and sign any necessary documents. Take your time to carefully read and understand the terms and conditions before signing. Next, proceed to sign the second document, agreeing to the final points. Click on Yes, please. I want to join the Monetizing community. You'll then be directed to a page informing you that there's one more step, email verification. Within 24 hours, you'll receive an email with a verification link. Simply click on the link to activate your Monetizing account. Once activated, you can log in and access your dashboard. Certifications can be found under My Tasks in your dashboard. If you have proficiency in translating French to English, for example, you can take the available certifications, as they can be used to apply for potential freelancing work. In the In Progress tab, you'll find all the jobs that are currently underway. For data collection projects, you may be asked to compile or provide files such as images, videos, voice recordings, or any other materials that can assist AI technology. I hope you're enjoying today's video. If you're enjoying everything I've shown you so far, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and leaving comments on anything you'd like. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Now let's continue with transcription. Transcription is a familiar term for many freelancers. In this task, you'll be converting audio and video into text. Additionally, there's internet judging, where you'll answer questions about specific websites to assess their usefulness for translation. If you're fluent in another language, you can also work on translating documents and other files. Another section is testing, where you'll test new apps and websites that are still under development before they're released to the market. Clients often require assistance during this phase. Keep in mind that there are many other projects available on Monetizing that aren't listed here yet. Monetizing is also available as an app on the App Store and Google Play Store, so you can easily use your phone for these tasks. They also have soar's Universal Human Relevance System, which is a web-based platform for online jobs that allows you to earn money by completing simple tasks. Soar's is a great way to supplement your income, but Monetizing already offers a wide range of tasks, so it's perfectly fine if you don't want to perform soar's tasks. However, if you're interested, you can easily apply. To access the additional tasks and start earning more money, click on Jobs from the menu. You'll find various job openings listed there. For example, in the data collection category, there are numerous projects available in different languages, such as French and English. Feel free to explore the judging, grading, and translation categories as well, as there are plenty of job opportunities. For the purpose of today's video, I'll focus on the data collection job. Clicking on the arrow button will provide all the details about the job posting, including the publication date, availability period, number of openings, and any required certifications. If a specific project doesn't require any certifications, even participants without certifications can apply. Now, participants are needed for keyword recognition tasks based on the provided description or instructions. You'll find the qualifications, requirements, and compensation mentioned for each project. If you believe you can fulfill the project requirements, feel free to apply. You can explore the available skills and certifications under the Certifications and Services category. While certain projects may require specific certifications, you can obtain them through this platform. In the My Jobs category, you'll see sections for pending or in-progress jobs, completed jobs, and rejected or expired jobs. Let's take a look at the My Profile tab. The most important section is the Payment Information tab. One of FAMA primarily offers Payoneer as their main payment method, but they also accept other options like PayPal. However, there is a prerequisite for using PayPal, which is that your annual income cannot exceed $300. Additionally, you can choose to receive payment directly into your bank account. The compensation rate typically ranges from $20 to $50 per completed project. Keep in mind that the difficulty, education, and language requirements of each task can influence the compensation rate. Make sure to note down the website mentioned. That covers everything for today's video. Thank you all for watching.